Good morning. This is David Combe with the CBS AM debrief. It's the 5th of August, Thursday morning, just coming up to 8:30 AM in the Sydney office. Well, in overnight market action, we saw the US stock markets finish largely higher. This is on the back of improved labour market growth, particularly in the small to medium-sized business section of the economy. That put on better than expected 42,000 new jobs. The expectation was for 33, and the previous was 19,000. So what we saw there was a bit of a seesawing action on the open. We saw rather a dip, and then some seesawing action from there to finally see us climb up to close at 10,680. Let's have a look at some of the other indices here. The S&P 500 was up 6.78 and the Nasdaq 20.05. In Europe, FTSE was down 10, CAC up 13, the DAX up 23, and the futures here pointing up largely, with the Nikkei up 50 to 9,540, Hang Seng up 44, and the SPY is pointing up 28 points to 4,547. Take a look at commodities. With West Texas crude trading at 82.44, which is down just 3 cents. Coffee at 169.75 cents, up 3.1. Corn at 415, up 11. Oats at 293.25, up 5.25. And rough rice is trading at $11.29.5, which is up 27.5 cents. Soy at 10,029.25, up 6.25. And sugar at 18.88 cents per pound, up 0.29. Wheat at 755.5, up 45.75, and copper is at 339.60, down just 0.7. Gold 1179.60, up 1.7, and silver at $18.30, up 0.027. Now to the cross rates for currencies. Euro is at 1.3156, pound at 1.5888, yen at 86.33, the Aussie 91.67, CAD $1.01, and Swiss franc 105.36. Take a look at the economic calendar. Got some data out of New Zealand on their employment situation, and expectation there, or forecast, is a 6.2, with the previous at 6% for Q2. Then later on this afternoon, we've got the Reserve Bank quarterly monetary policy statement for August, and the UK Bank of England asset purchase target around 9 o'clock, and then a rates decision expected to stay at 0.5%, and then the European Central Bank decision as well, and that's expectation there is for that to stay at 1%. Then over to Canada. Last bit of data of the day is the month-on-month for June building permits. Forecast there is for, expectation is 1.8, and the forecast, hang on, sorry about that, yes, expectation there, where's it gone, 1.8, previous 10.8 down. Okay, let's have a look at what else is happening and some of the supporting charts. Let's have a quick look at the rough price November futures contract. Okay, so hopefully that's consolidating here before pushing higher, and we'll see $12 for the warrant holders. Look at one that we've looked at a couple of times in the last week or so, which is QBE. And that hopefully will continue to push higher here. We're looking for about 18.50 from that one. US dollar index continues to come off here. Might start to anticipate that we would get a little bit of a bounce, perhaps down at this 80 level. Look now at the Aussie dollar, continuing to push higher, 91.68. And gold is continuing to push higher as well. Next level of resistance here will possibly be around a $1,200 level, followed by the $1,220 level. Any sort of bounce up there could be an opportunity to buy on dips if you're overall bullish gold. Okay, so thanks everyone for your attention. Leave it at that. Have a good day. Speak soon.